Hi, today I'd like to show you how you can earn 20 cents for every click to make PayPal money for free. Yeah, this is the make money online method that is going to be awesome because it's simple. It looks like simple 20 cents per every click, but let me introduce you the process, the instructions you can follow, and you can just scale it up more and more work you do. So just it looks like a small amount of money, but it can be a much more bigger if you just simply follow this method. And what I'm going to show you, without wasting any more of your time, I'm going to show you the site that we are going to earn 20 cents for every click. So let me introduce you the site. The site name is entireweb.com. Yes, you may heard it or not, but this is entireweb.com. It's a search engine. As you can see their statement, we are a search engine, and that's it. So this is the interface, and it looks very cool, and it's almost it's like Google, but as we know, Google is the number one search engines of the world. So if this search engines is really going good right now, so getting really popular day by day because of its some advanced features and its looks and its earning potentials and many more things. And these search engines is really getting popular day by day. So let me introduce, if I just simply search anything like that, like if I search it like how to make money online here, and if I just write it how to is make money online and hit enter, it will show me the search result of that keyword, how to make money online. So if you just simply scroll down, you can see that this is more like Google search engines, but these search engines also getting many more search results that many other search engines do not have. So this is really cool and simple looking interface that is easy to work with, and it is really good to for us to introduce you how we can make money online. So we are going to make money online using Interweb. So the way we are interested in, so if we just see, there is a three line menu on the upper left corner. You can click on that. It will see, you can see the menu, and there are some free tools out there. You can see there are some free SEO tools. There are advertise menu. They have some articles, and also their social accounts. But to make money with Interweb is to obviously affiliates. So if I just click on affiliates, it will load this page. So this is the page for Interweb affiliate program, and as you can see, you may heard it already, it's earn up to 20 cents for every click. So this is really going to be awesome. According to their statement, get paid for every visitors you refer to our free search engine submission service. So yes, they are asking people to submit their site, their social network, their website, their landing page, their any web content or service or any web presence they have. They want to submit those links to Interwebs, and that is why they are willing to pay us for that. So this is a really good way for them to increase their search engines database, and in case and people are getting money for that. So this is a really win-win situations for everyone. So if you just scroll down, you can see that get paid for every click, and this is high conversion rate. Everyone can join. It's a worldwide opportunity, and this is not difficult to easy. It's easy to start making money with Interweb affiliate program. So if you just scroll down, you can learn more about it. You can see their frequently asked sections. How does it work? How you can be an affiliate, and how much you can earn with this, and so on. And if you just click on that, you can see that it's 100% free service, meaning you often see very high conversions rate, and we will pay you 20 cents according to their statement. This is really good, and you can see what is allowed and what is not allowed. So if you are interested in, you simply click on this green create account button, and it will load a simple form that you just simply fill it up with your basic informations, and you hit the sign up button, and you are good to go to be an affiliate with Interweb, and you will get an affiliate link that you can start promoting. So well, yes, where I can promote it, I'm not professional marketer, so how we do that? So I'm going to show you an easy way and good and simple way. You just spend 5 minutes every day, and you're done with your marketing, and you will get more and more clicks every day. You can use any social media you want. If you want to promote it on your social accounts, you can do. Obviously, there are Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn. All the social medias are there for you to promote your affiliate link, and there is some cons and pros out there, but that is okay for you to start. But I'm going to show you the traffic we are going to use to promote this Interweb affiliate link is called Herculist.com. Yes, this is Herculist.com. You may already heard it or not. I may have explained it in my previous videos, one of my methods in previous videos. So this is a really awesome free traffic. Just they, according to their statement, proven results advertised to thousands of emails daily for free. So this is really awesome. Go to Herculist.com, and it's branding like Herculist Plus, and you have to sign up. You can just simply, it's 100% real free traffic you can earn. Also, they also have an affiliate program that pays 50% commissions if somebody who are in free member can convert their membership into paid one. So this is also a good opportunity to promote, but we are looking for free traffic here, so we are interested in to submit those thousands emails daily. So if you just click on sign up, it will load a simple form, and you will just submit it and confirm your email, and you are good to go to be in the member section. So if we just log in there, it will show something like this. This is the Kickstart Launchpad. It's a Herculist dashboard. So if you just simply click on this, you can see that how you can earn some credits there, how you can submit. There are some buttons here to submit emails and webs, and also all sort of things like that. So if you just want to submit your ads or email to peoples, you can just click here. So if you just click on the submit email button and the click here button here, it will load something like this. This is the page where you submit your ads to people. So what is the rules here? According, you just scroll down, and you can see that this is the regular mailer, and it's the credit mailer. So credit mailer is for who have to pay money to send emails, but as we are trying free traffic here, so we are interested in regular mailer. So if you just click on that, you can see that free members can send an ads daily to 1000 random members with this mailer. No credits or keys needed for the daily mailing. So this is really awesome way to just simply promote to thousands people every day, and it's random people. You will not see any repetitions. There are thousands of people every day joining to Herculist and making promotions every day. So simply you scroll down, and you can see that this is an email sending platform. So the email should have a subject line and the URL you want to promote, and then in the email body. So simply click and write something catchy like like earn 20 cents or every click you make on PayPal, and something catchy, and you can write something like you haven't heard this type of websites before, so that people get interested to click on your link and get into it. So simply this is the subject line. You put the subject line, then paste your interweb affiliate link into the affiliate URL sections, and put the some text in the email body explaining how people are going to get benefited from interweb, and that's it. So simply submit the ad, and it will be sent it instantly to 1000 random members in the Hercules. So this is the method. Yeah, I think this is awesome way to earn a decent amount of money. If opportunity is limitless, I think 20 cents for every click. So if you just get the from like 100 clicks or 200 clicks from those 1000 peoples daily, you calculate how much you can earn every day. So this is the opportunity is limitless. Simply follow this method and go and earning money with that. So if you're liking this method, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell, so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.